Jeff Blondie here. Climbing aboard this wonderful G5. It's a long-range aircraft, super spacious and luxurious. It's going for a cool $9 million around there. Holds about 17 passengers. And you can take this plane basically from Tokyo to New York. It's about 12-hour range. Ceiling 51,000 feet. This is one of the best in its class. So let's go check it out. It's very wide. I can stretch my arms all the way across. These all, you know, they come out and swivel. And this converts into a bed. So you can control volume, TV, music, all that stuff from here. And there's some monitors that come out. You can do the Wi-Fi and all that stuff. Dinner time, anyone? Great. The spacious kitchen. Now this is where you put the person that's misbehaving, but there is an extra seat back here, and it is also the lavatory. Tons of luggage space, as you can see. Alright guys, thanks for coming with me on this journey to check out this wonderful G5, and stay tuned for the next one.
Make sure to like and subscribe to Jet Blondie's channel.